Right now I'm going to show you how to clean bug guts off your car using Simple Green, hot water, some gloves, and then some microfiber towels. We take road trips to go see family, going through Kansas, South Dakota. There's some gnarly bugs out there and they will dry onto your car very quickly, and you know, they can even damage the paint. So we want to get them off pretty quickly. So the first thing I'm going to do is just get prepped here. Also, I am wearing knee pads. It just helps save my knees here as I get older. So you can use a couple different mixtures here with the Simple Green. It is safe to use. People use it on 1-to-1 or no dilution at all. I'm just going to put a glug in the water here. This bucket is full of hot water and it's about halfway full. So that's about 5 quarts of water. So nothing too fancy here. And then of course the secret ingredients, a little bit of elbow grease. So I'm just gonna get my towel really wet. This is hot water, and I'm just gonna start scrubbing. Now a lot of the bug guts are just gonna come off pretty quickly there, but if I get some stubborn ones, just kind of press my thumb or my finger into it and just keep scrubbing, and then they really just kind of wipe off of there. So this works well for me. And then for any other stubborn bug guts, you know, I might have to upgrade to some bug cleaner, but I haven't had to do that in a while. Simple Green has worked well enough for me, as long as I get to it quickly enough. So really that's it. I'm just gonna continue going like this, dipping my cloth in the water there, and then scrubbing where the bug guts are. Any stubborn ones that I can feel, I just kind of put a finger in and scrub away. So it's really not that hard. It does take some effort. You will just kind of have to work at it. Take your time. You know, I'll spend sometimes 30 minutes, an hour or more just scrubbing them off. I will tell you that once we got back into town, we did run it through the car wash as well. So this is after the car wash. This is just the remaining stubborn ones that didn't come off through the car wash, and they are coming off nicely here. Just kind of scrubbing at it. So nothing else fancy here that you're gonna miss. I'm just kind of doing this, you know, circular pattern here, back and forth, up and down, left and right, scrubbing the bugs, and they will come off. Just be patient, give yourself time, and get at it. And that's it. So hopefully that helps. If you like DIY around the house, please feel free to like and subscribe. My name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.